credit. I want to help you fix your credit. You can start this instant and you will have at least 100 points increase in your credit with the information that you're going to learn today. So definitely take notes, because this is some hot, spicy sriracha sauce that not even your favorite credit fixer-up person that charges you an arm and a leg knows. Okay, let me put my ruler down for this one, because this is something people don't know. So I know those are the top 3 credit bureaus, but do you know about the other secondary credit bureaus? This is just me giving back to the general public. I will be happy to help you fix your credit, because I was once there where I did not know anything about credit, and now I'm helping people to go from 0 to hero, okay, with the credit sauce. Okay, don't be a stranger. Like I said, like, comment, and subscribe, and stay in touch, stay in tune with our next video.